Have you ever pondered the immense potential of online business in Ethiopia? If not, let's take a moment to consider the current state of the Ethiopian economy. It's a vibrant landscape full of promise and is on a steady upward trajectory. With the rapid growth of internet and smartphone usage in the country, Ethiopia is quickly becoming a digital hotspot. This technological revolution opens up a world of opportunities for online businesses. Now imagine this: a growing number of tech-savvy youth equipped with the latest gadgets, ready to explore the digital marketplace. Add to this a burgeoning middle class with increasing purchasing power. These are not just mere numbers, but potential customers, potential success stories waiting to happen. In this digital age, where the world is at our fingertips, Ethiopia stands as a beacon of untapped potential for online businesses. It's a goldmine waiting to be explored. Indeed, the potential of online business in Ethiopia is vast and largely untapped. But like any other venture, online business in Ethiopia comes with its own set of opportunities and challenges. Firstly, let's take a look at the opportunities. Ethiopia, with a population of over 100 million people, offers a vast market for businesses. This is particularly noteworthy for online businesses, as the digital platform allows for a wider reach than traditional business models. What's more, the startup costs for an online business are significantly lower than for a brick-and-mortar store. No need for a physical storefront, no rent, no utility bills. This significantly lowers the barriers to entry, making it easier for anyone with an idea and an internet connection to start their own business. And let's not forget the potential for growth. With the world becoming more interconnected every day, an online business has the potential to reach customers not just in Ethiopia, but all around the globe. However, it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges that need to be addressed. Internet connectivity in Ethiopia, while improving, is still not as widespread or reliable as in more developed countries. This can limit the scope and reach of online businesses. Despite these challenges, the opportunities for online business in Ethiopia far outweigh the obstacles. So do you see yourself seizing these opportunities and overcoming the challenges? This is your chance to be a trailblazer, to make a mark in Ethiopia's blossoming online business scene. Imagine being a pioneer, reaping the benefits of a market that's ripe for exploration. It's not just about profits. It's about shaping the future of digital enterprise in a country that's ready for change. Take the leap today and be a pioneer in Ethiopia's online business landscape. Your entrepreneurial journey starts here.